Okay, today we'll be unboxing the Crown 12-inch box fan, model number KY2308. So it has 3 speeds, powerful motor fuse, and oscillation function. So, 210 volts, 40 watts, about 1.95 kilograms. So, let's open it. Okay, what do we have inside the box? The user's manual. There we go. Instructions for cleaning. There are feet. And here's the actual unit itself. It's pretty light and actually very thin compared to other box fans I've seen. So it's kind of neat. Pretty straightforward. And there we go. Now let's test this. And so here's what it looks like. Top. Back. Let's run a test. Well, we need an adapter plug. One sec. Okay. So timer. You can set it to on. The wind's pretty strong for a small fan. See. Also leave the function. This is pretty good. For the price of $5.15, it's a pretty good buy. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.